Hello, beautiful people! How are you today? I hope that you're feeling good and feeling blessed. So, for today, we will be going out. We will go... We will go to Ukay-Ukay, and then we will also have lunch out with my daughter. And we will go to UB for her enrollment. So, go with us as we enjoy the day. Be with us as we enjoy the day. Thank you so much. See you later. So before we went out, we had a pictorials. Ta-da! Pose, pose, pose with my daughter here inside the house. And my daughter is taller than me. That's why I was tiptoeing this time. So that's it. Then we are ready to go. Have a windy on Saturday, Tuesday. Look. Oh my God! So windy here. I look like a penguin, you know. So we have to hike going to BQ Mall. Huh? Di mo sugot si Bibi. Mangukay mi guys. Okay. Walang, lingaw. Then I will also have my hair color and a manicure if the budget allows. You know what makes us late? My baby changed 4 times. Oh my God. Asaliwan. This is our place here. Mansion side. Ay, wala, it's not stabilized. We had our lunch out here overlooking to the sea of Bohol. We were dining at Ace Chicken Nuggets at Galleria Luisa in TAGBILARAN City, and that's how nice it is. The weather was so fine, it was so windy, and oh, it was so good here. You can see Dawis, overlooking Dawis and Panglao, and you can also see a part of the TAGBILARAN City Wharf, and the sea was very nice. Very relaxing while waiting for our food for lunch. So, sightseeing here. Enjoy also. Tada! This is Ace Chicken Nuggets at Galleria Luisa, TAGBILARAN City, Bohol, near to BQ Mall. That was so good. That was so nice over there. And after our lunch, we had pictorials again. Crazy pictures of Celeste taken by my daughter. Look at that face. Oh my God. And it is okay to be crazy sometimes. That's Celeste Gwapa. And this is the last picture. After our lunch, we need to go to the salon. Hello, Char. I'm here at Crown Day Salon. Crown Day ba? For my white hair. I am handled by okay. Miss Aubrey. Char. Aubrey. And Aubrey was your name. Bukan ako eh. Bye, baby. I'm using Revlon Light Brown. Char, this paper that they pour. Shout out to Robert. Bert. Asa ka, Bert? Robert, tag-isa. Kinukuhan sa BBP. Crown Day Salon. Ako pa-video sa before nung ba? Mas lamig, gudang munggos. Munggos, manilasan.
Munggos mong balik G's, ma'am. Ang munggos mo yun, 30 pieces na. Ay, tulog ka kiwa na latak na umasa. Na ay mga 15 kapadahan sa
Kamunggay. Gihap, Jud. Oo. Pila na po G's. Pila po ikalag sa G's. Mao na. Munggos pa. Naglata pa. Sugnod pa. Kaya po.
Pero lami ang iyahan ko ano ay guy, kamuti tops lami.
Ay, healthy kayo ito.
Yes, mo na ako mga pipino, mo na ako mga padito. Ay, sa po.
Sa bago pa ng tupit nila kay Kanta, bata pa nini tayo. Dahil Gwapa pa na mistisa.
Kasi isa mo sa nasa.
Karon mistisa man gyapon.
Ay, mistisa gyapon. Katong ka nagpanganak kay lubo. Lubo.
Hormonal.
Lagi mo masanaw lagi. Okay, karon na okay na.
Sa present.
Period. Ako period bago pa na okay.
Abnormal. Normal po daw ah.
Sa una pa lang.
Duha mo na may 22-year-old na filya.
Gusto ko pagindi ka. Negative.
Ouch. Negative. I love the pronunciation. Negative.
Nagmesa na sila ang pagka. Parang mabuto sa buwan sa pagkanda. Di po mag-all. Anak naman ka, tagunan ka. Buwan di yun. Buwan sa duduan na ka.
And tada! Picture once again. And after that, I need to wash up my hair. And the finished product here. My gray hair was out. And I feel so beautiful after that coloring service. Yeah, but my daughter was bored that time. So that's it. This time, I just want to say thanks to my super chatters in my LS and premieres. We have here Yad's Driver TV, thank you so much. And also to Sir RM Aaron, thank you. Kuya Ads Official, thank you so much. And to Alangilan Vlog, thank you. And of course to my gorgeous sis, it's me Peach. And another from Yad's Driver TV, thank you so much. And of course from Bistak sa US, thank you. To Rick X Lods Official, thank you also. And to Sir RM Aaron again. And another from Sir RM Aaron, thank you so much. And of course to the following who are very supportive to me, I would like to say thank you to Kuya Alas TV and TV, Margie's TV, Pamilyang Lagan Channel, Buhulan ng Lagan, Val Palmares, Taga Uma TV, thank you. And also to Aya from Japan, Summer Rain Channel, Elisa Love Vlog, Aunt Lou Vlogs, Buniknik Vlog, Jana Rose PH Vlog, and Diane Sings, thank you so much to all of you. And of course, to JR, Corimao Goes Random, Tata, Ang Bulanong Hilaw, Ison, Bisayang Kulukoy Official, Sis Janisa Huni, May Inaanak Samantha Kilario, Ampoy, Buspoy, and Admin Joe, Mr. J, the PWD. Thank you so much for the support. Some more, we have Jessie Baco Guapo, JMACs, Ray Gallardo from Gindulman, who is now in Kuwait, Moods of the Mountain, Omega, thank you so much. Maria's Moments USA, thank you. Sis Monique Gonzalez, thank you so much. Sis Jerome and Sis Cherry Vlog, thank you. And thank you also to the following, Dax 101, Sis Amabel Iya, Idol Famous Lemuel Guapo, Sir Romel, Strive Survivor, CEO Elias Pugi TV, thank you. Vince and Vance, Toing Toing Toing, thank you. I love DJ Wine, thank you also. And to my classmate Annalyn Luman, who is now in Germany, thank you so much. And to my sister Erlina Baliling, who is now in UAE, thank you also. And to all of you who are very supportive to Celeste Gwapa, a million thanks to all. I may miss to name you here, but my heart is so grateful for all the support that you are giving to Celeste Gwapa. Thank you so much. And this is Celeste Gwapa saying, let us enjoy life together.